We're gonna pick up in video number 2 where we left off. Um, we established that the market is now making a turn to go down. We're getting a chalk right here. We have yet to get a market structure break, which would be under here, but really this is the low that needs to be broken because as you can see this whole range right here. This is the low that made this high, not this low. There's a low lower than that, which is this one. That's how you read ranges to tell if you actually, you know, in a the trend is changing from one direction to the next. Because a lot of times it's not. It's just a deep retracement, you know, and it continues in the way, and you're thinking, especially if it's happening on a higher time frame. You're thinking that the trend done changed, because it's taking out lows, you know, on a lower time frame, but on a higher time frame, it's just retracing. And the range low, which is called the swing low, which is this is the swing low, the swing high. This is the swing high. You see, swing low. There's no low lower than it. That's how you can tell them. You see, there's no low lower than that. You see, there's no low lower than this one. This low made this high, so it made it swing high. There's no high coming up this thing out of this high, that high. That's higher than this one, so that's the swing high. Then it went down. It made a low. It made a low. But see, this low's lower. See, low's lower. There's nothing lower than this. See, look over here. Nothing. So this is the swing low. Same thing with this. Okay, so you got it. So I'm looking for, if it doesn't turn at this sweeping the lows here at this chop, touching this fair value gap, equalizing the market in this area, in this price range, and then go up, which I think to this auto block, or hit this auto block, and then go to this auto block and go down. Okay, if that don't happen and it break this auto block, more than likely it's going to continue up, or it could come all the way down, hit this auto block, and then go up. But if it breaks it, then we know we are officially in the downtrend. All right, but I'm gonna show you something. They don't buy in premium pricing. In premium prices, premium is above the 50%. Discount is below. You see where the price is, so they can buy at this auto block because it's at a discounted price. Even though this auto block over here, is this big red candle, before the up move, the last down move before the up move, last down move before the up move, which is this red candle. If it doesn't take this auto block and it takes this one, that's just a deeper discount. But who knows? They may not got the time to do that. Okay, so let's run this and see what how much of it is fantasy and how much am I correct in my analysis. Okay, it hit that. So is it gonna bounce? Let's see. 823. Think I'll let this candle close. It's too new. Try to enter. And see, it's going deeper in there. Okay, look at the rise of the value. So it looks like buying is coming into this candle. Yeah, see, that's why I entered so early. You see how I pulled back? I didn't want to wait for no close. Not saying it's gonna be successful, but you know, I don't want to be entering way up here. That's too close into this order block. I want to get as far away from this order block as possible, so my trade can be successful. If it has a chance of being successful, you know. Okay, it didn't. It didn't work. Okay, so let's look at this one. This down move is pretty strong, isn't it? So now, if it come here, we get a market structure break here. Even though we got one kind of here, but that's not really no. Yeah, it's a low because it took this high. You know, it made this high, so it's a real low. So that's actually a market structure break in a chart. Lows and highs has to take lows and highs, you know, to become lows and highs to be valid. That's how you can tell which one is inducement and which one is not. You know. All right, so let's let it rock. Let's see what we get. They're buying into they bought into that, even though the momentum is still carrying it down. It's gonna go up, you know, and it's probably now because it's hitting the order block. It still had more sellers in the market. It made it overrun. Stop me out. What I'm trying to do, because I believe this is going to dip down a little bit. I don't know how far. Let me see. Maybe I need to get up this hourly time frame where I can gauge stuff better. Yeah, see? See how they hit that auto block there on that 15 minute? Yeah. Let's see how this works out. I don't think it's going to go up. The down pressure is too much. Close last, put in sell, let it rock. Until it takes the swing low. Yeah, it's just breaking straight through the order block. So you know they're in the sell program. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is where I should have entered at. It's probably won't sweep all. Uh-huh. See how that volume went up there and it got pushed down? Pressure, selling pressure. They are battling. It ain't giving us no reprieve. So it's hitting this 15-minute order block that I drew at the bottom of the range. That's what it looked like. Well, let's see if it takes that high. Even though it didn't take that high, it's making higher lows, which could be a setup to sweep all of them doggone lows. Six GMT. Six GMT is when you really want to be looking for action. Okay, see, look. And then as soon as it kicked in, look, start jumping down. Put in the sell. Let's see what it gives me. All right, we need to close below this in order for the official market structure break. So it has to close below this green box here. See, I had all of that. They done all of that, but they still haven't closed below it. There we go. Still haven't closed below it. Them closes are very important. It tells you their intention. So it looked like they're gonna try to go up from here, cause they swept the stops underneath there, so they actually can go up from there. So I think my trade is in jeopardy and it's gonna go up. Sweep the highs there to come back down. Let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, this would be another good entry point if it's gonna continue to go down right here on this mint block. That would have been a good entry point. That's where I would have entered, you know, if I didn't already have this trade, and I should have. I called it. Okay. Now let's try to go for another trade. Here's another range. You see, it has to break this low too. When you see they start breaking these swing lows or swing highs, you have to go up the time frames to see those swing lows and find those swing lows and swing highs and see if they're being broken. You see, this, I was looking for a bounce at this wick here to continue the up move. That's why I got this box here on this wick. And it looked like it's happening. Yep. So that means it's going to come right back down, right here. Let me grab this, put this up. and put this right here. It's going to do here or this auto block. But I think here would be more this chalk. This men block. Be more. It could come to the middle part. Will be more a safer bet for an entry for a buy. Okay, so since that's not happening, I'm giving up my buy campaign because if this continues up, then my next target will be here. You see this fair value gap on this 1 hour and this men block here would be my next sell target. But I want to buy up into there. This is why I'm looking for buys. So it's going to turn here. Okay, let's see what it does. This third wave, so gotta do something now. See these wicks right here, powerful points to get a sell off of. So that's not a bad point, but I don't think this is in a premium pricing. This right here, yeah. So I'm not going for that anyway. Oh yeah, it is right at the tip. But if it's gonna send it down, it would have fell already. I think. Making people load up doggone cells right here. Gonna sweep that whole thing. Go up here, sweep that high too. sweep this, hit that, then fall. Well, I could be wrong. It could be falling right here, but I doubt it. Because it would have fell already. But then again, it's the end of the day, so. But that might be their plan for tomorrow, the next day. Yeah, see, all these highs. See, look at that. Sweet, 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 sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. All them stops. It's a lot of money there for them bankers. And sweeping stops is the gasoline that moves the market. That's how they make money, you know, to continue this thing going, to invest more money in the direction they want to take it. So let's see if my analysis is correct as we go into this Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. Let's advance an hour. Advance an hour. Okay. It is not trying to land on this. Which is fine with me. You don't have to give me that trade, but that'd be the only up move I'll take. Because if it go there and it go in here, midway point is here, which is right in this auto block. So I would mark this like that. And we'll get it good. Okay, let's see if we can find Signs of buying. See, we get a chalk. Yep, we got our chalk. Right at it. Okay, now, entry for a buy. Right there. That's the move I was looking for. Okay, let's see if it works. Because they might want to go deeper in there, so. Okay. 9-4. Close to 10, so. Think I could doggone set my BE. Okay. Deeper. Okay, into that order block. Buy at a deeper price. Uh-oh. And we looking for, okay, so that's successful. And we're looking for it to hit this and come down, right? Let's see how we make out with that. I'll tell you about these wicks right here. So they have to eat up them doggone cell pressure that's up in here to get up here to mitigate this. And this is a strong reason because look, it's an inefficiency right here. This order block hasn't been mitigated, so I mean they have cause. So I am aiming for that yellow line. I want to remove this out the way. So the touch of it don't cause me to FOMO myself, fear of missing out, or trying to catch any falling daggers. I want to be sure that that's what they're doing. And if I miss the trade, so what? This video is 40 minutes. I'm about to end it after this trade. I should have ended it after the last one. I don't want the videos that long. Okay, we're there. We're in this mid block. Okay, but we're going for the yellow line, right? Because, let me see. This is the mid block. So we're in it. I think I need to take my sell there. Look at that candle. And look, it's at the end of it. 1041. Ooh wee, let's see how it closes. Ooh, does not look good to reach that yellow line. If I get stopped out, I could I could re-enter, and I would trade it all the way down to here. If I get stopped out, that's all. Let me see. Let me let this go up a little, and hit me a sell. Yeah, I'm supposed to let it touch that wick. That was a little premature, that entry there. That was a FOMO move. Okay. Okay, I don't think we're gonna see any. Moves up there. Yeah, see? I know it. Alright, we're at 11,000. Okay, I'm going to conclude this video here. I hope y'all see how, this trading goes. You don't win them all, but you can always profit, as you can see. So, um, with a little more patience, I believe my profits would be a little higher. But hey, we all got stuff to work on, and psychology is very important. Patience, very important to have, because you cannot FOMO, which is fear of missing out, and you cannot try to catch falling daggers. That's trying to predict where they're going to turn to go in the other direction before it actually happens. And that's the trick. You know, it comes with skill and time. You'll get it. But all right. End of this. I guess I save this simulation here at this point. So, and we'll pick up from here when we come back.